Pay yourself first, the rule that made me rich. How I applied it step by step. Automate 10-30% of income to investments the day you get paid. 401k, IRA, index funds, real estate, etc. Live on what's left, forces smarter spending and side hustles. Example numbers. $5,000 monthly income, right arrow $1,000, $20%. To investments, first right arrow, live on $4,000. Mindset shift. Bills get paid, but my future gets richer. Bonus. Kiyosaki's twist. Invest in assets that generate cash flow, not just save in a bank. Proof and results. Year 1. Small investments growing. Year 5 plus. Compound interest plus cash flow assets equals financial independence. This rule turned my $0 net worth into X amount in Y years. Common mistakes and tips. Don't confuse it with treat yourself first, spending on luxury. Start small if needed, 5-10%. Build a small emergency fund first, $1,000, $2,000. Increase the percentage as income grows. Call to action in closing. Start paying yourself first today, even if it's just $50. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe for more money rules. Comment, what's your pay yourself first percentage? Links to books, free resources, affiliate investing apps. Additional metadata suggestions. Discover the one rule that turned my financial life around. Pay yourself first. This timeless principle from the Richest Man in Babylon and Rich Dad Poor Dad is what separates the wealthy from everyone else. Learn how to apply it step by step and start building real wealth today.